The Fox and the Crow.
One day a fox saw a crow. The crow has got a piece of cheese in its beak and it settles on the branch of a tree. "That's for me, I am a fox," said the fox. The fox walked up to the foot of the tree. "Good day, Mistress Crow," he cried. "How well you are looking today. How glossy your feathers. How bright your eyes. I am sure your voice is perfect too. Let me hear one song from you that I may greet you as the Queen of Birds." The crow lifted up her head and began to caw her best. But the moment she opened her mouth, the piece of cheese fell to the ground. The fox caught it. "I wanted this piece of cheese," said he. "I will give you a piece of advice. Do not trust foxes.